Okay, we're multiplying polynomials, and our problem is 2x in parentheses 14x plus 1 and another parenthesis 24x minus 17. So first thing we'll do is multiply the 2x by the first parenthesis. So our answer is 28x squared plus 16x, and then we'll write the second half the 24x minus 17. Yes, and then we'll multiply those two together, and we'll use the FOIL method, which is the first outer inner last. We'll just multiply the first number by the second parentheses and then the second number by the second parentheses. So that equals 672x cubed minus 467x squared plus 384x minus 272x, and our answer is 672 squared x squared minus 476 squared, I meant cubed previously, plus 102x.